Are you tired of jumping from one strategy to another without seeing results? You may have lost so much money while trying to learn forex trading. And yes, I can relate because I was once in that stage some years back. In this video, I will share some beginners' mistakes, how you can avoid them, and also how to develop a stable trading psychology, patience needed to become a successful day trader. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Loaded Forex, aka no signal, no entry. In this video, I will give you 4 trading secrets you must know in order to be a profitable trader, and number 4 will blow your mind. Out of these 4 trading secrets I want to review in this video, the number 4 is the most important one, and I'm going to review the number 4 secret towards the end of this video. Do yourself this favor by watching this video from the beginning to the end so that you can master the secret to profitability in forex trading. Before I proceed, whatever trading mistakes you are making right now, I want you to understand I have done the same as well while I was struggling as a beginner forex trader, and the reason I'm creating this video is to help you with a solution that helped me to become a profitable trader, and this solution helped me to master trading psychology. Before I talk about the 4 trading secrets I want to review in this video, let's talk about the trading mistakes you are probably making. Number 1 mistakes: you are buying or selling in the market without the right knowledge. Let me tell you something. The difference between profitable trader and unprofitable trader is right knowledge. No big difference, right? It's just the right knowledge. The profitable trader, they have the right tools, right trading information that help them to stay profitable, that help them to execute high quality setup rather than taking quantity setup. Once you acquire the right knowledge, profitability is not far from you. A lot of beginner traders make these mistakes all the time. When they notice the price action is going up, then they start looking for buy opportunity without proper criteria, without confluences, without the right knowledge. And when they realize that the price action is going down, the price is dropping, then they jump into the market and start placing sell position order without the right information. And trading doesn't work like that. Treating trading in such manner is just gambling mentality. You are just gambling in the market without proper analysis, without proper criteria. You don't buy or sell in the market because you notice the price is going up or the price is going down. Trading doesn't work like that. Number 2 trading mistakes you are probably making right now is you trade with emotion. Let me tell you something, emotional trading is not the right style of trading. If you want to make money in trading, you have to remove emotion out of it. You got in on a trade without the right knowledge. If price action comes to this zone, I will take a buy opportunity. And if I see X plus Y formation inside the zone, then I will buy or I will sell. You don't have this proper analysis that if price action did not give me Y plus Z, I will not execute. How do you want to make money? If you are not applying all these criteria, all these confluences in the market, you are trading with emotion, because the moment you got in on a trade and the trade is moving against you, you start panicking because you lack proper trading analysis, proper trading preparation before you got in on a trade. Emotional trading will never help you to become a profitable trader. So for you to succeed in trading, you have to trade without emotion. Remove emotion. Before you got in on a trade, have a plan that this is what you are going to do before the trade. This is what you will do when the trade is active, and then this is what you do after the trade. And the most important thing is to accept the outcome of all your trading decisions in the market. If you are part of the traders making these trading mistakes that I just mentioned, that means you are part of the 95% of traders that lose money in the market. But don't worry, In this video, I'm going to review and share with you a well-detailed 4 trading secrets that will help you to become a successful and a profitable trader this year. The number 1 is rules-based strategy. What do I mean by rules-based strategy? To become a profitable or a successful trader, you must have a strategy with an edge that guides every of your decision in the market. That is, when you should buy or when to sell. For example, my strategy is support and resistance, and I have rules guiding my decision in the market. For instance, if I want to take a buy position, maybe the price action is trending and I'm seeing bullish market condition whereby the price is creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high. What I want to do in such market condition is to wait for price to break a resistance. Let's say this is a resistance zone. I want the price action to break above the resistance, then I'll wait for the price to retest the broken resistance, now turn to support. Then I will now scale down to the lower time frame, my entry time frame like 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minute time frame, and I'll look for my entry confirmation. I'll now look for extra confluences that backed my trading decision, that guides my trading decision before I execute that buy position. Other way around, let's say I want to take sell position in the market and I realize that the current market condition is trending to the downside, where the price is giving us a trending market high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. What I will do in such market condition is to wait for price to break below a support zone. Then after the breakout, I will wait for price to retest the broken support, now turn to resistance. Then at the retest zone, I will scale down to my entry time frame and look for my entry criteria to back my trading decision or my trading bias on the higher time frame before I execute. That is rules-based strategy. The number 2 trading secret I want to talk about is entry-based strategy. What do I mean by entry-based strategy? These are the conditions or criteria or signs that you must see at the entry zone, your point of interest before you buy or sell. For instance, I'm a support and resistance trader. If price action comes to my buy zone or sell zone, I want to wait and exercise a lot of patience that the price presents all my entry confluences. And what are the entry confluences that I use to trade support and resistance strategy? Number 1, inside my point of interest, that is my PO high, I want to see volume reduction, right? Loss in momentum of the candlesticks. If I'm taking a buy position, I want to see volume reduction inside my PO high. Then the second one, I want to see weak rejection at the bottom of the candlesticks inside my PO high. At least a minimum of 3 weak rejections at the bottom of the candlesticks. It can be more than that, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I need a minimum of 3 weeks rejection at the PO high zone. The third one, then I want to see change of structure. If I'm taking a buy opportunity and price is giving me a retest zone back to the support zone, I want to wait for that bearish structure to my support zone to change to bullish structure to align with my bullish sentiment, because I'm taking a buy position at the support level. So that is change of structure. Then the last one is counter trend line breakout. I want to ensure that the candlestick break above or below my counter trend line depending on the market sentiment. If I'm taking a buy position, I want to ensure that the candlestick break above the counter trend line before I buy. Or if I'm taking a sell position, I want to ensure that the price action or candlestick close below the counter trend line before I take a sell position in the market. The number 3 trading secret is risk management based strategy. When you get emotional during a trade, that is gambling mentality. This means something is wrong with your risk management. That is, you are risking money you cannot afford to lose on a single trade. The real definition of risk management is about risking the money that will not affect your sleep at night. If $100 is the least amount of money you can risk on a single trade and it will not affect your sleep at night, that is risk management. If you risk $100 and you know within you that if this trade goes against you, this $100 loss will affect your sleep at night, that means something is wrong with your risk management. Risk management is all about risking the percentage on your trading account in such a way it will not affect your sleep at night. And trust me, no matter how perfect your strategy is, no matter how good your strategy is, if your risk management is poor, you are going nowhere. You can never become profitable. The difference between profitable trader and unprofitable trader is that profitable trader, they have the right knowledge, the right tools, the right understanding that risk management is one of the most important factors that helps them to stay long in the game. The rule of risk management is to structure your trading capital in such a way you can keep on trading until the odds are in your favor. So if you found like $500 and on a single trade you blow the account, that is bad risk management. If you have a $500 account, you should be able to structure the account in such a way that how many trades are you going to trade or take before you blow the account? Maybe 10 trades, 20 trades, 40 trades, or 50 trades. That is risk management. But a lot of traders will fund $500 account, then on a single trade, the account is gone. The money is gone. That is poor risk management. So if you have a working strategy, a strategy with an edge in the market, if you don't combine it with a well-structured risk management, you can never become profitable. There is no way you will make consistent profit in the market. Let's dive into the last trading secret, which is simplicity. Make it simple. That is the last one. If you want to become a profitable trader, don't try to complicate things. The best strategy, the best profitable strategy in the world are always simple. Don't try to have so many tools that you don't even need, like adding too much of indicators, adding too much of maybe RSI, MACD, moving average, adding all kinds of things that you don't need. If all these things are not helping your psychology, they are not helping you to become a profitable trader, you have to abandon them. Less is more. Trust me, less is more. If you master these 4 trading secrets, trust me, you become profitable. Alright, if you are blessed in one way or the other through the informations I just shared in this video, I would truly appreciate your support. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. Doing this helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend more of our videos to traders that are still struggling to make consistent profit in the market. And if you want to be part of our free community on Telegram, click the link below this video description and be part of traders that are enjoying our profitable weekly trading signals and market insights. And I'll see you next time.